In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete custom fields in QuickBooks. Now, a quick heads up before we begin. In QuickBooks, you can't truly delete a custom field. Instead, the proper way to remove it from use is to make it inactive. This keeps your historical data intact while preventing the field from showing up on new forms or entries going forward. Here's how to do it smoothly. Start in your QuickBooks company file and look to the very top of the screen for the global search bar. Click into that search bar and type Custom Fields. This is the fastest way to jump straight to the right place, especially if you're not sure where the setting lives in the menus. When the search results appear, select the option labeled Custom Fields. That will open the management area where all your existing custom fields are listed. Once you're on the Custom Fields page, you'll see a list of every custom field associated with your account. Take a moment to scan through the names and descriptions so you're certain you're working with the correct one, especially if you have several fields with similar titles. When you find the field you want to remove from active use, look to the far right side of that row. You'll see a small arrow or menu icon. Click that arrow to open the Actions menu, then choose Make Inactive. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm your choice. After making a field inactive, it will no longer appear as an option on new transactions, forms, or records where it was previously available. Importantly, any historical data tied to that field remains preserved in your existing records, so you won't lose past information. If multiple fields need to be retired, repeat the same process. Search Custom Fields, open the list, click the arrow next to each field, and select Make Inactive for each one. It's also a good idea to let your team know which fields you've inactivated so they can adjust any workflows or templates that reference them. That's all there is to it. Remember, you're not deleting the custom field permanently. You're simply taking it out of circulation so it won't clutter your forms or confuse your team. Using the search bar to access custom fields, then making the field inactive from the right-hand menu is the cleanest way to keep your setup tidy while keeping your historical data safe.